Hello mga kudoks! Welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm a Filipino pediatrician and now I'm working here in the UK. If you're new here in my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Today's vlog is a chill one. I'm currently on a holiday here in Glasgow and something interesting happened. And please watch until the end of this video. Enjoy! So, holidays here in the UK are very important. So like this holiday that we have today. So we booked this in advance. Yesterday, one of my consultants just emailed me if I could have a shift in one of my holidays in the next months, and I respectfully said no. And you know what? Surprisingly, it was totally fine. That one small no made me realize something big. It is okay to set boundaries. Back home in the Philippines, saying no felt like a sin. But here in the UK, work-life balance is actually practice. I love my job here in the UK, but I also love my time off. Because at the end of the day, rest is part of the job too. Yan guys, so different restaurants and pubs here at Merchant City.
Different cuisine. There's Turkish, there's
Thai, Mexican, at iba pa. Ang ganda ng graffiti oh. In the Philippines, we glorify being tired. If you're not exhausted, parang kulang. But here, they want you to take your breaks. They want you to go on a holiday. And they want you to breathe. So to all my fellow Filipino doctors, nurses, and aspiring students, please take your breaks as much as possible and use your leave. Don't feel guilty for resting. And if you're planning to work here in the UK, this is something to look forward to. Alright mga kudoks, I'm off to enjoy the rest of my Glasgow trip. So of course, this trip won't be complete without eating Jollibee. Thanks for hanging out with me today mga kudoks. How about you? What's your perfect idea of a holiday or a day off? please put your comments down below. See you in our next vlog mga kudoks. Paalam!